Hello friends, I am back. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm just going to jump right in. For once, I remembered to do my brows and prime my lids off camera. This is going to be a long tutorial, so I'm literally just going to jump right in. So I'm going to go in today with my Morphe 3502 palette. And I think I'm going to do something kind of vampy today. Because it's spooky season, kids. So I'm going to jump in with the shade Risky as my transition. Hello? Oh, there she is. Hi, welcome home. I'm just gonna jump in with that and just pop that right in my crease. Stop the bus. Where's my tape? Well, I hope that's even. So, if not, I mean, it happens. Okay, so now that that is done, now I think I'm gonna jump in with this shade right here, Chestnut. Oh, you guys already know. I'm excited. Oh my god. And I'm just going to pop that. Oh yes. Thank you. I'm just popping that all the way from my crease all the way in. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, sorry. I'm just using the JH32 brush. Now going back in, now going in with the JH33 brush. I'm just going to buff out those edges. Now going back in with the JH32 brush. I'm going to be taking, oh, could you guys see the first two shades that I was getting? Okay, so the first shade I took was, was this one, Risky, and the second shade I took was this one. And now for the third shade, I think I'm going to take this one right here, Heat. Oh my god, yes. Now going back in with the JH33 brush, and then of course just blending out the edges again. And I'm going in with the tiny JH40 brush. I think I'm just going to pick up the shade right here, Fire. And I'm just going to be packing that kind of in the crease area. Oh yeah. Give me that fire. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with the JH40 brush and take the shade Whiz, which is this nice black shade right here. And then use that just to bring that right onto the outer corner. Oh my god, you guys, look at the pigmentation of that black. Like, are you joking? Okay, now I'm taking Chestnut and then blending that with the black. So I think I'm going to be taking this shade of brown right here, Brunette. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease, all over my lid, pretty much everywhere, you guys. Okay, and I'm just going to go back into the shade Fire. Bring some of that redness back. And I'm going to go in with the JH33 brush and blend out the edges. Going back in with that black, and then just darkening all that stuff up again. And then taking Brunette, and then blending that with the edge right there. Going back in with that black shade. Just really packing that on there. So now I'm just taking that Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Morphe, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M165 brush to apply that as a liner. Okay, the reveal time. Wow, look at all that fallout. Love that. I'm just going to makeup wipe really fast because I just know the situation. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you, I was not sure for a hot couple minutes there, like probably a half hour. But it's okay. Everything works out in the end, you know, you really just have to trust your process. I'm really a fan of this eyeliner. Like, this is my first time using a liquid lipstick as an eyeliner in my life. And it truly actually looks pretty good. Working with black though is a nightmare. Like, I'm not a fan. I got 2 new pairs of lashes. I think I'm gonna be a bougie vampire. What do you guys think? The so glamorous or so charming? I think we're gonna go in with the glams. This makes my eyes look really blue on camera, but like they look gray in person, and I'm just like, okay. So now I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm gonna use my roller lash for today. Just feeling it, I don't know. It'd be that way sometimes. To be honest, those lashes are pretty massive. I might save them until the very end to do. Yeah, I'm definitely just gonna mascara as of this very moment. But now we can move on to the face. So I'm gonna be going in with my e.l.f. primer today. Oh, love this stuff. I use too much all the time. Oh, we can also ignore the fact that my skin is being my biggest hater right now. So we're just not going to talk about it, okay? Okay. So today I'm going to be taking my Hourglass Vanish Stick in the shade Vanilla. And I'm going to be kind of literally tossing that all over my face. And then to mix in with that today, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 112. Sorry, I grabbed the wrong shade there. And I'm just taking kind of a little, okay, so I got too much. It happens. Now, going with my Morphe Y6 brush, we're gonna go to town. Guys, I love going to town. On that down the neck, honey, do not forget the neck. So now I'm gonna go in with this random contour stick that I don't know the name of. I'm just trying to use it up, you guys. I don't know. I'm not mad about how that blended out. Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in the shade NW15, and I'm going to be using that under my eyes today. So, right there. So I'm just going to be going in with my Fit Me Translucent Powder in the shade 05. I'm taking a beauty blender, and I'm just going to be using that to set under my eyes, make sure there's no creases, of course. Now I'm going in with this big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to powder the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. So I'm going to, of course, be going on with my Benefit Hula bronzer. You guys know I love this. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And I'm going in with that on my JH02 brush. This is the best freaking bronzer brush I have ever encountered in the entirety of my existence. And if you don't have it, I really don't know what you're doing. Okay, but like if you don't have it, it's fine. Like obviously it's not my product, but like, whoo, honey, look at that. She warmed up my face in 0.5 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with the JH30 brush, and I'm going to be using this to kind of contour my nose just a little. Just add some of that warmth back to the center of my face. Why is there a hair there? I did not invite that. I've also just started adding like a teeny bit of bronzer under my bottom lip. I just think it makes my lips look like just a teeny bit bigger, and I'm pretty into it. So that's that story. I'm just going to kind of fix that nose contour a little bit. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe M513 brush and going into the shade Risky, which I will show you right here. And I'm just going to be taking that on my lower lash line and fluffing that from outer corner to inner corner. And I'm really like smoking that out quite a bit. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Chestnut, which is right beside it. And I'm also just going to be focusing that more on the outer corner or the outer third. And then just kind of gently working that towards the middle to about 3/4 of the way in, like so. And really just making sure that this is all kind of blended and connecting up with that other portion of my makeup right here. Because I do want it to be pretty smoky. And now I'm going in with the JH43 brush into that black shade Mystic. And I'm going to be stamping that like right close to my lash line. And then taking my M513 and buffing that out. And I'm just doing the same thing again. But now I'm kind of winging it out a little bit. And I'm just connecting that to the liner I did with the liquid lipstick. Like so. And of course fluffing that out even more. If you kind of ruin your liner a little bit, not a problem. You can always go over it. I mean, obviously try not to ruin your liner, but hey, it happens. You know, what can you do? And I'm just going to bring that black the rest of the way in. Right to the inner corner. I really want this to be super dark. So now I'm going in with the JH06 brush. And of course going in with my Morphe 8W palette. And I'm going to be taking the shade MUA. And really just warming up my cheeks with that today. I like how dark this one is. So now I'm going to be taking the other end of my beauty blender and that same translucent powder, cutting out that bronzer. So now I'm just going to be taking the JH07 brush and I'm just going to be using this to wipe off the excess powder left on my face. So before I go on with my lashes, I'm just going to be doing some highlight on my eyes specifically. I'm going in with the JH41 brush and my Ofra Cosmetics and NYX Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter, and I'm using that to highlight my inner corners and under my brows as well. So alright, so now I'm just going back in with my JH33 brush and I'm blending out those edges just a little bit, like so. So I'm just going in with that same JH41 brush and I'm going to be highlighting my nose. Okay, and then for my actual highlights, I'm going in with my Morphe M510 brush, of course. And I'm just going to be, oh God. Highlighting myself to the good Lord. I'm going back in with that JH07 brush and I'm just going to be using that to sort of soften that a little bit. Don't want it to be too crazy, you guys. I'm supposed to be dead right now. Now it is time for the fun part. I get to put on these massive lashes that are literally bigger than my soul. So I'm going to pop these babies on and I will be right back. If you're a bad eyeshadow day, just literally wear some massive lashes because they cover up all of your problems. That's not a good situation. I'm now just going to wipe off all of the foundation on my lips because that is never cute. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it's because we're getting. You guys, I can feel this like lash flapping in the wind right now. This is craziness. So now I'm going to pop on some lower lash mascara. That same Benefit Roller Lash Life, you guys already know. Don't even need to tell you. Okay, so I'm going to use this in my waterline as well as a lip liner. We're going to see how this goes.
Every time it sounds like suicide. I'm hesitant, but I guess I'll drink the Kool-Aid once again. It happens every time. It sounds like suicide. I'm hesitant, but I guess I'll drink the Kool-Aid once again.
Okay, you guys, that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really digging these blood drops right now. I don't know what it is. I'm really feeling this look. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't super chatty or anything, but I really did have so much fun filming this look. At the beginning there, I was not really sure for a second if it was going to turn out, but I'm actually pretty obsessed with it. And I'm living for this vampire vibe right now, you guys. I just like keep on looking at myself like the monitor in my mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm here for it. And I really hope you guys had so much fun coming on this journey with me. These lashes are bigger than my future. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Bye!